YouTubers, if you notice that when you start your car in the morning or whenever, when it sits for some time and you start it, it starts right up, but you hear this at the very beginning sound kind of like a cracking. The problem is this. Hold on a second. After engine was hot, see it, look at this hose, the big hose, how it's right there. See what happened to it? It's super skinny. So this is kind of bad news and the good news at the same time. I mean, the good news is you have no leak in your coolant system, so this is the great news. The bad news, if you're gonna start it like that, basically there is no antifreeze right now with this hose. So what's gonna happen, your water pump starting dry every time. So over the time you might burn your water pump. So I mean, the easiest thing to take care of this, you just crack this cap on the reservoir, or if you have radiator, I don't have radiator cap, turn it over here and see what happens when you just turn it a little bit to let the air in. See, that's it, problem solved. I mean, that's the cheap way. The right way, I'm gonna have to investigate. I think there's maybe problem with the cap, because if you remove, like, see, has little spring over here, and I think I need a new cap, because I think when everything is cooling off, if you look inside over here, there is a holes that should release the air, and it's not happening. So some of the old timers, what they do, they basically just drill a hole in the cap or something like that. That's what I heard people do. I'm ready to do that, because basically that's the air's coming out through here. There is a tiny hole over here. So basically the whole idea is to, when the coolant is cooling off, that spring in there should actually move and let the air in. Well, obviously that didn't happen, so looks like I need a new cap to fix my problem, to do it right. If this video was any helpful for you, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.